Want to create your first Roblox Obby but don't know where to start? Here's a super simple step-by-step guide. Like and subscribe for more easy Roblox tutorials. First, open Roblox Studio and click New Project. Choose the base plate template. This gives you a clean space to build your Obby. Next, go to the Model tab and make sure collisions is off and anchor is on. This helps you place and lock your parts easily. Now click Part to insert blocks. These will be your Obby platforms. Resize and move them using the scale and move tools to create jumps and paths. Use different shapes like blocks, wedges and cylinders for variety. To make the Obby more fun, add obstacles. You can color parts using the Properties panel or use Material Manager for lava, ice or metal effects. Want a kill block? Insert a part, then add a script inside it and paste this. This will reset the player when they touch it. Finally, test your Obby. Click play or play here to jump in and try it out. Make adjustments until it feels fun and challenging. You just made your first Obby. Like this video and subscribe for more simple Roblox building guides.